Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. And we're over here at the magnolia tree. It's number 75. It was a single deep, but it's still a single loop. We're going to put another box on it. They're a little bit crowded. That's them on there. That's them in the top part. We're going to put them in another box. Checkerboard. And I hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and a comment, share, and all that stuff right now. Okay? While I'm thinking about it. Okay. We haven't taken any of these out. All I did was take the top and the feeder off. We're going to go over there and check at the pond here in a little bit. I don't know if they're going to be me any good, but it's morning time, so they should be okay. This one here has nectar. There's a green queen, that quick, right there. We're going to put her over here. Okay. We got some frames out of the freezer. Okay, this one here's got brood on it. The larvae. She's growing up. She needs some more room. Both sides. Now we'll put this in here where the queen was at. Keep her happy. Bottom is good. This here is laid up. Got a couple of drone cells on it. Got larvae. And it's filled up. Both sides. This is what I like my nukes to look like. This time of the year. And somebody asked me from Sumter. I was born and raised in Sumter. Well, I got out of the military. But anyway. He asked me about honey flow. How do I know, or how can I, anyway, how do I know that there's going to be a honey flow? Fall honey flow. Well, because I can't remember when we didn't have a fall flow. I can remember when we didn't have spring flows or summer flows. This one here has, it's loaded up, people. Both sides. There's a hole in there, there's an egg or a larvae. Yeah, let's see what we got on the next one. Queen was on the outside honey frame over here, so we know they're looking for something. This one here's got a little bit of brood, pollen, nectar, and drones. See, there's drones right there. These girls are bringing in pollen, but there's drones here, there's worker bees here. This is worker bees down here. going to put it back in there. But they making drones this time of year. That means they're fixing to think about swarming. My opinion. Take this one, put it back where it was at. See what we got over here in the refrigerator. A lot of bees in there. Just a foundation, a little bit building on it. We're going to take it right there. Okay, now we're going to need some brood. Now we're going to stick it. Some here's got brood on it. And we're going to stick it over here on this side. We'll take this one and stick it over that side. See if we can find a queen again. Still a queen on that one, got a lot of brood. Had a beetle on it already. Well, don't really make any difference where the drone's at, the queen's at. But we do have brood here. We'll put an empty one in the middle of them. That makes 4. One more one here. Got this one that came out of the freezer. Got a little bit of pollen on it, but I cleaned it all up. We're going to put that there. You gotta have some food to feed the babies. Not very much pollen out here right now, except grass. Put them there. Put them there. Okay. Take a good looking foundation here that could be used for honey. And we're going to put it on this wall up here. This frame here is kind of bowed in. Put that over there. Take this one that they're building on. That's a good frame. Queen come up. What were we talking about? Got something. Oh, whether we've had a bad spring and summer or a good one, we've always got a fall honeypot. In the spring, we could get a lot of rain. My bees could be growing up. I start my queens and everything. That's in April. And they have a couple of nights of freezing. And they just never build back up for the honey flow. Because after that we have some more cold weather. Looking for the queen down here now. She may have come off the I don't see her nowhere. Hold on a second, I'll be back with you on that. Okay, this foundation here has some pollen and stuff on it. We'll put it here. Put some pollen up here. Bless the hearts. Now they gotta have some food to feed all them babies that I'm expecting them to get. A couple of beetles down here. Should have put me a swiffer sheet in there while I was there. Put your feeder there. Get their feed here. You see, I won't be getting any honey from these over here. Not this year, I'll get them next year. Put some pine straw in here. Kill them a few more bees than the beetles. Okay, we can quit now. The queen will be okay. Okay. We know that. Anyway, we lived through the summer, the burning and the drought and all that stuff. And all that stuff. Everything burned up for the sun. We do that down south here. And but anyway, we just don't make anything because everything gets burned up. Everything gets burned up. But now come spring, like right now, we've had 4 beautiful days here. And before that, we got a whole bunch of rain that took care of the drought. Creeks are full. Back here in the backyard, down the hill. My backyard. But anyway, and things will be growing. The weather's going to be better. It's going to be more suited for the bees and the plants. And we just know that there's going to be some fall honey. I like my fall honey. I like it better than the others. But that's about it, people. If y'all have questions, let me know. And that's that. Hope y'all enjoyed that. But there's no reason not to have fall honey or a fall honey flow. I got some of them bees down in the swamp. So they got plenty of rain. And I hope y'all enjoy that, because I did. And my baby's down there. They're coming in and out. They have another hole up here. So y'all give us a thumbs up and comment and share, subscribe. If y'all got a question, you ask me and I'll let you know. I may make a video from it instead of answering you, but I try to do that as much as I can. And y'all have a great day. Great half the week gone. Another half coming. Be careful out there, people. We'll talk with you later. Bye.